This week, on the invitation of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons Canada and the University of Toronto, a delegation of the College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan visited Sick Kids Hospital and its Simulation Center and participated in the International Medical Education Leadership Forum 2024 meetings from 16 to 18 September 2024. The College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan has regular interaction with sister royal colleges of the world. In 2007, late President Professor Zafrullah Chaudhry and Professor Khalid Masood Gondal had first visited and interacted with all the program directors of the KenMed program and implemented competency-based medical education at CPSP. Since then, CPSP is regularly participating in the International Medical Education Leadership Forum. CPSP delegation attended first meeting in 2008 under the leadership of late Professor Zafrullah Chaudhry, council members and office bearers including Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, Professor Muhammad Asghar Butt and Professor Amir Zaman Khan have been accompanying him in the past. IMELF was founded by the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. It is a global forum that brings together leaders in medical education, institutions to discuss the key issues, share ideas, and promote innovation in postgraduate medical education and lifelong learning. IMELF meeting every year have been a regular feature of Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada in September or October in various regions of the country including Ottawa, Toronto, Vancouver, Quebec City, Calgary, Halifax, and Niagara Falls. CPSP delegation have been regularly participating in these meetings and presented papers too, especially on innovations in medical education in developing countries like Pakistan. CPSP monitoring system, especially the e-log and the e-portal, were also presented too. Each meeting had very important innovative theme including challenges and innovations in postgraduate medical education, standardization and collaboration between institutions, global collaborations between medical education leadership, sharing of experiences, and strategies for improving postgraduate medical education, recertification, revalidation, ensuring consistency standards in medical training worldwide. Integration of new technologies, innovations in assessment methods, aligning global healthcare need with educational strategies, integration, and standardization. The theme of the International Medical Education Leadership Forum 2023 was transformation of the medical residency programs in the post-pandemic era using competency-based medical education approach, and current IMELF held on 18th September discussed artificial intelligence and its role in medical education. President Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi and Council Deputed Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and Counselor and Director General Medical Education Professor Muhammad Amir Zaman Khan to attend collaborative meetings in Toronto on 16th and 17th and as well as in Ottawa on 18 September 2024. In Toronto, Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and Director General Medical Education Professor Amir Zaman Khan had very productive and useful meeting at Sick Kids Hospital, that is the hospital for sick children. On arrival 16th evening, the local host Dr. Jabin Fayaz, an eminent professor and research scholar Professor Zulfikar Bhutta, had a brief dinner meeting, and the next day the delegation had series of meetings. In the first meeting, Sick Kids delegation including Professor Lennox Huang, Vice President Education, Medical and Academic Affairs Mrs. Kelly McMillan, Executive Director Learning Institution, Dr. Jabin Fayaz, Medical Director SimKids Learning Institutions, and Mrs. Emily Lockhart, Director SimKids Learning Institute. Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal updated CPSP national and international contributions of CPSP. Director General Medical Education Professor Muhammad Amir Zaman Khan presented concept note on establishment of Simulation Center at College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan. This was a very productive 2-hour session followed by souvenir exchange and group photo. The CPSP delegation had detailed visit of the state-of-art Simulation Center, and Mrs. Hayya Al-Hussaini, Program Manager, International Education, conducted a detailed tour of the hospital. This was followed by the presentation by SimKids team and questions and answer session. In the afternoon, delegation had a meeting with Dr. Dale Podolsky, an eminent craniofacial surgeon, research scholar and lead the Institute of Craniofacial and Cleft Innovation. This was followed by the meeting with Global Child Health, represented by the Senior Manager, Interprofessional Education, Mrs. Stephanie D. Young. The session concluded with detailed visit of emergency department with the state-of-the-art facilities for children reporting to the emergency department. In the evening, the host arranged a dinner in the honor of CPSP delegation, specially graced by the Consul General of Pakistan, Honorable Mr. Khalil Ahmed Bajwa, who welcomed the delegation and appreciated collaboration on innovation and latest technology. The following day, delegation visited Temerity Advanced Surgical Education and Simulation Center. The delegation witnessed various facilities and had good interaction. In the afternoon, the delegation departed to Ottawa to participate in the International Medical Education Leaders Forum 2024 and was received by the local friends who arranged a dinner meeting with the Honorable High Commissioner, His Excellency Mr. Shah Faisal Kakar. He highly appreciated the CPSP participation in the international education event. CPSP delegation updated CPSP collaboration with UK, Ireland, and Honorable High Commissioner desired similar collaboration with Royal Colleges of Canada too. The delegation presented CPSP milestones to the Honorable High Commissioner and thanked him for gracing the meeting. Next day, that is 18 September 2024, CPSP delegation actively participated and interacted in IMELF 2024 meetings. IMELF 2024 was participated by the delegates for over 20 countries from developed and developing world, including United States of America, Canada, Ireland, Australia, United Kingdom, South Asia, and Middle East. Mr. Greg Capitelli, Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer, welcomed the delegation, followed by opening remarks by Professor Dr. Christopher Watling, Chief Executive Officer, Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, Canada. President of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, Canada, Professor Dr. Brian Hodges, highlighted the objectives of the important international mega event, a regular feature of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, Canada. Eminent speakers from Canada, USA, England, Chile, Hungary, and Sweden discussed very important topics related to themes of the conference, that is artificial intelligence and its role in medical education. The President discussed ethical and equity issues while implementing the artificial intelligence in training and clinical environment, followed by a research forum on the topic of artificial intelligence, the intersection of the assessment and generative artificial intelligence. The future is now. During the break session, CPSP delegation had meeting with the President of Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, Canada, Professor Brian Hodges, and presented milestones of CPSP. Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, while thanking the President and the CEO of the Royal College, updated how CPSP has addressed various challenges and postgraduate medical education and implementing competency-based medical education. On this occasion, he said,
I first time visited Canada in 2007 when we learned something about from the CanMed. Then we had the first International Medical Education this leadership forum in 2008, and college was the part of that forum, and since then we have been regularly attending. Probably in this hall, outside the Canada, the College of Physicians and Surgeons in Pakistan is one of the senior most. And the theme discussed today and in the past, I think the wonderful themes. Competency-based medical education revolving around standard, globalization, technology, innovation, revalidation, recertification, big data, educational research, challenges of postgraduate medical education, and strategies to address those challenges. President was saying on the stage, go back and share these things with your own community. And at the level of College of Physicians and Surgeons in Pakistan, we learned from you people, and currently we have implemented competency-based medical education. If I got the chance, I would like to share that. Now coming back to today's theme, that is the artificial intelligence and role in the medical education. I still remember 3 or 4 years ago, the theme was whether the clinician of future they are going to be replaced by the artificial intelligence or not. A lot of debate that was going on, and it was proved that artificial intelligence is not going to replace the clinician of future, that is going to help. And today I am very happy to listen this thing again by the radiologist. The artificial intelligence will not replace the doctor. Artificial intelligence will not replace the doctor. But doctors who are using the artificial intelligence are going to replace the doctor who are not using. Thank you and thank you very much.
Professor Amir Zaman Khan, Director General Medical Education, while addressing the topic of artificial intelligence, commented as,
everyone deserves to have the best of the healthcare facilities. Now, the AI is having a big impact and there is an explosion as far as AI is concerned. And the main concern is to improve the healthcare of the rest of whole of the people who are living in this universe. Now, this difference between the developing and the developed world, has there any effort been made to bridge this difference so that the benefits of AI are not limited just to the developed world, but the developing world is also taken along?
CPSP delegation had interaction with the presidents of various royal colleges, leaders of medical education, and president of Accreditation Council, including Dr. James Arigi, President, Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education, who also visited CPSP and had meeting with the CPSP office bearers last year. The delegation from Ireland, including President Royal College of Physicians Ireland, Professor Audrey Holohan, Dr. Diarmuid O'Shea from Royal College of Physicians Ireland, had interaction with Professor Khalid Masood Gondal and Professor Amir Zaman Khan. They were highly satisfied with the CPSP and HSE Ireland Overseas Scholarship Rotation Program and appreciated the performance of CPSP residents selected through this scheme. On this occasion, they said,
I'm Diarmuid O'Shea. I'm President of the Royal College of Physicians of Ireland, here at the Education Meeting in Canada with you, and it has been a pleasure to meet you as President of the College of Physicians and Surgeons in Pakistan. We really value the collaboration we have between you, the doctors in our country, and the doctors in your country. Since we started this initiative together, it's been going since 2013. We've had over 600 doctors visit our country and develop their specialist training skills while showing and demonstrating the wonderful levels of education they've achieved in your country. The compassion and empathy of all of the doctors that we've had work with us from Pakistan has been wonderful. And I think one of the really important things, I think you'll agree, is the fact that I would look at this very much as a swapping of intellectual abilities and skills. It's not a brain drain, it's a brain gain for us. And I think we benefit enormously from having your doctors in our healthcare system. And I hope when your doctors return to Pakistan that they bring with them some of the expertise that they have got from our trainers and our healthcare system. So lovely to meet you here, and good luck with the future.
Good afternoon. I'm delighted to meet colleagues from the College of Physicians and Surgeons in Pakistan in Canada this afternoon at this meeting. I had the privilege of meeting same colleagues last year and this year on their visit to Ireland, where we recognised and acknowledged the great contribution from the doctors that travelled from Pakistan to experience our healthcare system and to learn alongside our other colleagues. We have had many years, over 10 years of this collaboration, and we really hope that it goes from strength to strength and would encourage others to come and avail of this experience. We equally benefit as much as the trainees that come and join us. We learn from them. We really hope that they learn from us and that they go on to contribute to general global health. So we would like to welcome colleagues into the future and thank everybody for the contribution and the great synergy that we've had to date.
In the evening, the dinner was hosted in the honor of IMELF delegates. They also thanked the President, CEO, and Executive Director of Royal College of Physicians Surgeons Canada and ex-CEO Dr. Andrew Pedmos for invitation and congratulated on success of this great international education mega event. CPSP current council is ensuring the quality and standards in training and strengthening the international collaboration. Thank you.